Are you looking to make some extra cash online? Here are some ideas that can help. Freelancing. Show a freelancer working on their computer. Freelancing is a great way to make money online. You can offer your services as a writer, designer, developer, or any other skill you have. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr can help you connect with potential clients. Online surveys. Show a person taking an online survey on their computer. Online surveys can help you earn some extra cash. Many companies conduct surveys to get feedback from their customers. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna can pay you for taking these surveys. Affiliate marketing. Show a person promoting a product on their website. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn a commission by promoting other people's products. You can do this by creating a website, blog, or social media page and promoting the products to your audience. Websites like Amazon Associates and ClickBank can help you get started. Selling products. Show a person selling products on an online marketplace. You can sell products online through platforms like eBay, Etsy, and Amazon. You can sell handmade items, vintage items, or even products you no longer need. Online tutoring. Show a person teaching a student online. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services. Websites like Chegg, Tutorm, and Schooly can help you connect with students who need help. Closing shot. The person smiles as they close their laptop and looks satisfied. With these ideas, you can start making money online. Remember, it takes time and effort, but with determination, you can achieve your goals.